Okay. Determine the sign of the product only. Okay, the sign of the product. Okay. A. We do now consider the product sign of. That means here positive. Positive times negative times negative. Positive times negative. Negative. Negative times negative becomes positive. Because the answer is A is positive. B. Negative times negative is positive times negative becomes negative because it is odd number of here it is odd number of positive, even number of negative numbers. C. Negative times negative 1 2 3 negative times negative times negative times negative times negative 1 2 3 4 5 odd number of negative, therefore the answer is negative because it is odd. D. Yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 odd. D. Positive times negative times negative times negative. The odd number of positive times negative, negative, negative times negative, positive, positive times negative. The answer is negative because it is odd number of negative numbers. Number 2. Find the product of the following numbers. Okay. A. 9 times minus 3 into negative 6 becomes okay. Negative 3 times 3 negative 7 negative 27 times negative 6. 7 times 6 42 carry 4. 2 times 6 becomes 7 times 42 2 carry 2 4. 2 times 6 12 12 and 4 16. Therefore even number of odd number that negative and negative becomes positive 162. B. Okay, negative 12 times negative 13 times negative 5. The answer is negative because there is a odd number of negative numbers, therefore the answer will be 12 times 13 times 5, 780. 780 is the answer. C. Negative 1 times negative 2, negative 1 times negative 2 times negative 3 times negative 4 times negative 5. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. The answer is negative because there are odd number of numbers. 6 times 20 becomes 120, negative 20, 120. C. D. 3 times minus 6 times minus 9 times minus 12. How many? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3. It is odd number of there are odd number of the product of odd number of negative number is negative, therefore 3 times negative 6 negative 18 times 9 negative 162 times 12 negative 1944 negative 1944. Okay. Oh, and E 15 625 times negative 2 times 0 times negative 15 625 times 98. There is 0. The answer is always 0. But is there, yeah, negative, even though even number of negative numbers are the product of this number is that 0, because there is 1 0. Every number multiplied by 0 always 0, and 0 is neither negative nor positive number.